How to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone. So if you want to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have the internet connection, you need to go with your settings on your WhatsApp, which is on the bottom. And then scroll down and you will find the chats option. Tap on chats. On your chats, make sure that you have backed up your chats. So go with chat backup. And from the chat backup, you need to go in backup now. Make sure that you have backed up all of your files, messages, or each and everything on your WhatsApp. Because if you've not backed up, then you won't be able to recover. So make sure that you've backed up before. And once you're backed up, what you need to do is just go back and then uninstall your WhatsApp application. Tap and hold on to it and go with remove app, go with delete and delete the application. After deleting, open up your WhatsApp. You'll have a new interface. You need to follow the on-screen prompts, and when it says restore chat history, you need to tap on it, and then you need to restore your chat history from your iCloud account where you have backed up your WhatsApp messages. In this way, you'll be able to restore or recover your deleted WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.